National champion.
National champion. How does that sound?
Sounds really good. It's my first time winning this tournament. So it feels like a really big accomplishment, and I'm very happy to come back each year and finally win it this year. It was a very tough match against someone who trained me a lot of my life. So both of our games are very similar. Both hit big forehands and have just consistent backhands. So yeah, we're very used to each other's games. So it's very fun to play against Damien.
Well, I mean, it was a bit tough to begin with, getting started, because I'd injured my back yesterday playing a match. So it was a bit stiff and slow going into the match. You know, second set, I had more chances. You know, I got the second set, third set, I had some chances, but you know, the back just kept stiffing up on me. It was hard to move and, you know, to focus. But taking away nothing from the player, you know, Jacob played very well and he deserved the win.
Good.